All right, here's the amazing Natasha Wolf to give us our first sample of how to COVID test.
All right, so these are going to be the Binax Now COVID-19 AG cards. I'm just going to do the quality control. So for your negative, you're just going to use a regular swab. For your positive, each kit will contain one of these that is positive. And then your little testing cards. We're going to open these.
Now, if she was testing somebody, she would be wearing her N95 mask and gown and face shield. If she's watching somebody else test, she can wear just her N95 mask and gloves.
All right, so here is what the card looks like. You're going to see the control and then the sample. During this control, if you do not see a blue line in the part of the control, then it's not good, so you're not going to use it. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and administer 8 drops to the top hole. It's going to be right here. When you are doing the quality control, it is going to be 8 drops of the reagent. When you're testing somebody, it is going to be only 6. You're going to hold it over the hole, and you're just going to drop it in without touching it to the hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. So I'm going to go ahead and do the positive first. That comes in the aluminum foil. It's going to be your red swab. That's going to kind of how you know. So when you're inserting this, you're going to actually go through the bottom hole. And you're going to go up, and you've got to push it.
Yeah, it's a little tight in there.
And then there you go, until you see it pop up in the second top hole. You're then going to rotate it clockwise, a good 3 times. After that, you're going to peel this off. And you're going to close it. The reagent, the control should turn pink when it goes through. If it's not pink, the test is invalid. Again, if you don't see a blue control line at all, the test is invalid. And if only the sample line shows up and there's no control line present at that time, it is also invalid. You're going to set your timer for 15 minutes, and we'll kind of just wait for that, and we'll put a timer on it. But let's go ahead and do our negative control as well. So again, during the control, you're going to do 8 drops. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, testing somebody is only going to be 6. When you're doing your negative control, or when you're taking a swab of somebody's nostril, you're never going to put it back into the paper. You're going to go again, bottom hole, push up till you see the cotton in the top hole, and then you're just going to rotate clockwise 3 times. And our test is now going to be set for 15 minutes on both, and we will check back at that time.